Bonjour à tous et toutes, comment allez-vous? Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel amourdefrancais French classes. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we will do meals in French or les repas or Français. Let's get started. So, there are 4 meals in French, that is le petit déjeuner or the breakfast, le déjeuner or the lunch, le gouter or the evening snacks, and le dîner, which is the dinner. So first, we will learn le petit déjeuner or breakfast. So, let's learn how the French take their breakfast. Sample bowl de café noir. A simple cup of black coffee or du café au lait. Café au lait means milk coffee. Café, the word café means coffee and lait means milk. So, du café au lait, milk coffee. Ou, O-U means or. Du chocolat de tartine. Tartine, single, means toast. And chocolat means chocolate. So, du chocolat de tartine together means chocolate sandwiches. Avec means with, du, some, beurre, butter, or some croissants. Croissants is a type of French bread. Now, first we will read in a flow in French and then we will translate the whole para in English. So, let us start. Sample bowl de café noir, du café au lait ou du chocolat de tartine avec du beurre ou des croissants. Now, in English, a simple cup of black coffee or some coffee or some milk coffee or chocolate sandwiches with some butter or some croissants. Now, the second meal of the day, that is le déjeuner. Déjeuner or the lunch. When do we take lunch? In the afternoon, that is après-midi. It means afternoon. So now, let us start translating this para which I have written just now. En principe, un repas important. It's an important meal. Comprends 3 ou 4 plats. Comprends here it does not mean understand, here it means includes. So, the lunch or the déjeuner includes 3 or 4 dishes. Plat means dishes. Dans les villes, dans means in, les an article, vie cities. So dans les villes, travailleurs et écoliers. Travailleurs means the workers and écolier means the school students who go to school, which is école in French. Déjeune, the third person plural conjugation of the verb déjeuner, which means to have lunch. So it means take the lunch. Souvent, often. Sur les lieux, lieu, the plural form of L-E L-I-E-U, which means place. So, sur les lieux de le travail. Le, an adjective possessive. If you don't remember what adjective possessive are, do watch it. The links are in the description. Le here means there. Travail. You can say here it means workplace. Yeah, work. Travail means work and lieu means place. So, les lieux de le travail together means workplace. So, now let us read it in French first. Le déjeuner, en principe un repas important, comprend 3 ou 4 plats. Dans les villes, travailleurs et écoliers déjeunent souvent sur le lieu de leur travail. Now, in English, it's an important meal of the day, including 3 to 4 dishes. In the cities, the workers and the school students have their lunch often at their workplace. Now, the third meal of the day, that is le gouter. Gouter, the meaning of gouter is evening snacks. The name suggests that it's taken in the evening, which is soir, S-O-I-R, soir in French. So, let's know that in France, what do people generally have as the goûter? Les enfants mangent du pain. The children eat. The verb manger, G-E-R ending verb, present tense conjugation with third person plural. Du pain, some bread. And du chocolat, some chocolate. Les grandes personnes. Now its literal meaning will be like the big person, but in actuality, les grandes personnes, the adults. Les grandes personnes mangent des gâteaux. The adults eat some cake. Gâteau is the word for cake. Et ils boivent du thé. Boivent. The third person plural conjugation of the verb boire, which means to drink. Ils boivent du thé. Some tea. Thé means tea. Now, let us read in French and then we will translate it in English. So yeah, let's begin. Le goûter. Les enfants mangent du pain et du chocolat. Les grandes personnes mangent des gâteaux et ils boivent du thé. Now in English, the children eat some bread and some chocolate. The adults eat some cake and they drink tea. And now the last meal of the day, that is le dîner or dinner, which we generally have in late evening or at night. So now let us start reading and translating. So the French people, what do they have in the dinner? Du potage. Potage means soup. Some soup. Des entrées. The entree, which includes like des œufs or du poisson, des œufs, some eggs, du poisson, some fish, etc. Des légumes, the vegetables. De la salade, verte. Verte means green. And salad means salad. So, what does de la salade verte mean? It means green salad. And then, du fromage. Fromage is cheese. Et du dessert. Dessert, same spelling, dessert. That is the sweet dish, which is like des fruits, du yaourt, des fruits, fruits. And Y-A-O-U-R-T, yaourt, means yogurt. Le repas familial par excellence. Family meal by excellence. Chacun raconte sa journée pendant le dîner. Chacun. This word means everyone. So in the context of the para which I have written, it means like every member of the family. Raconte tells or recollects. It's the verb raconter, which is an er ending verb. Raconter, raconter. Sa journée, his or her day. Pendant means during. Le dîner, the dinner. Now let us read in French in a flow. Le dîner, du potage, des entrées, des œufs, du poisson, etc., des légumes, de la salade verte, du fromage et du dessert, des fruits, du yaourt, etc. Le repas familial par excellence, chacun raconte sa journée pendant le dîner. Now in English, some soup, some entree like eggs or fish, etc., some vegetables, some green salad, some cheese, and some dessert like fruits and yogurt. It's a family meal which is excellent. Everyone or every member of the family tells or recollects his day or her day during the dinner. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. And one more thing which I would like to tell is you may also like my Facebook page, amourdefrancais French classes. Here, I have been uploading test papers based on the videos which I do on YouTube. So it's really helpful, like a good practice. And yeah, that's all. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.